Welcome back to Press Play on Live. Let's make a strawberry ice cream charlotte. I found the recipe online. It looks so good. Let's try it. Okay, we're gonna make a simple sorbet with just 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and a package of frozen strawberries. Let's cover this and put this in the freezer. Well, I made the biggest mess. I had to get these Char gluten-free ladyfingers, and most of them were like smashed. There's this powder in the bottom of the tray, and I sat it down and then proceeded to knock it over. There's just crumbs everywhere. So I just finished filling it with strawberry ice cream, and now I'm going to put it in the freezer while I make the topping for the strawberry charlotte. Two cups of whole, fresh strawberries and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and blend. And then take 1/4 cup of the mixture and set it aside. You're going to use that to make pretty swirls in the ice cream charlotte. Pour the remaining mixture into a bowl and then add 3/4 cup of marshmallow cream and stir until combined. Then it's time to make the whipped cream. It takes a cup of heavy cream. Then you whip the cream until soft peaks form. Then you take that strawberry marshmallow stuff and fold into the whipped cream. Okay, it is pretty. I have obviously overfilled it. Let's stick it in the freezer, and in a bit we'll see how it turned out. It's actually pretty. Okay, let's try it. It is a strawberry ice cream charlotte. I'll post the link down below. All right, here we go. Get a big enough bite there, Kelly? I can't. I'm trying to eat ice cream with a fork. All right, there we go. Well, that's delicious. Oh my goodness. Anyway, y'all, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.